Here's the Astro Excel, the extended view looking out a month ahead. I started this on the 25th, which is the date for Sunday. You can see that the dates are marked here just below the center line, and we move forward in increments of 8 hours. So we go from midnight, which is 0 to 8 a.m. to 1600 hours to 0 again. So as we get into the evening here, when we open up trading, we've got a little burst up for a bit, and then we go down all the way to the 26th here, where we bottom out at 2200 on the 26th. Remember from my monthly June pivot dates projection, the key dates were the 16th and 26th, or the 15th and 26th. We had the high on the 16th on the 24-hour and rolled over. We've been in a downward push, which is likely to bottom out on the 26th on Monday. So the pressure's downward all through Monday. We get down to below the -20 line, and then we move up through the 27th, and then we peak out on the 28th, and then we start to do a sideways drift into the 30th, and then we go up to our peak here on July 1st at 4 a.m. where we actually peak up at 25 plus 25 on the graph here. And then we're going to go down from there into the 3rd as we go into the holiday week next week. Anyhow, you can see the rest of this chart, what we're looking at. This takes us all the way out to July 25th. When we get into the middle of the month here, we get down below the 0 line, and then we stay down below, and we actually make a push down to -37.5. We haven't hit the 30 lines for a while, but as we get into the end of July, we push below the 30 lines over here on the 17th, 18th, then again on the 20th, 21st, and then into the 22nd before we push up and get above that level. So that's what we're looking at for the next month, and particularly the week ahead.